Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona Beach, Florida. So, we got another beautiful bike in today for tune to promote the opening of our new Florida shop. We're doing free tunes for the entire month of September, and had a customer come in and take advantage of that. Had his audio done by another shop. They did a beautiful job of putting the bike together. The bike sounded good, the bike looked really good, the install was flawless. This is a pretty big build. Got two 5,000 watt amps in the tour pack, one for each saddlebag, massive DC audio, mid-bass driver, subwoofers, Voodoo Wraith, drop rail kit. Everything was perfectly done on this bike. The client just wanted a little adjustment done to the tune, and we were able to do that for him. He was super happy. Bike's got best of everything on it. It's got the Beyma coax carbon 8s in the lids. It's got the Beyma coax carbon in the fairing. I believe it's a Sound Digital 2400 in the fairing. Two 5,000s in the tour pack, couple 800s. The bike's got big power, 2 lithium batteries, well put together. I spent a little over an hour on this tune, and the customer is blown away. He's completely happy. It was exactly what he was looking for. And check out what we did for him. And the best part was 100% free. Didn't charge him a dime. Check it out.
Why? Keep banging y'all motherfucking head with this shit. If it ain't love, it ain't me. Oh, you got to be too shy to slide. I'm too hard to fall. Too cold to get on. I'm too hip to trip. I'm doing something like this. I wanna load it up, cock back, don't miss. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. Got the preacher wife talking about rock that shit. All they do is say the man name. You watch how many bitches start coming. Hell shit. They know I got that wolf on. If they in the hotel room and get the dick, that's good for 'em. Big pussy in the soft pit.
On the road to riches and diamond rings, where real niggas move things on private planes. I say you're looking for me, I be sucker ducking your little bitch ass. Looking for me, I be sucker ducking your little bitch ass.
Ride through the city, 100K on the seat. Shining like bitches in bikinis, sunny day on the beat. Pray on the week never, I'ma find a way to stay on my feet. Hat on my eat, west side Atlanta, rubber bands on my bankroll.
Drums, please.
Here it is, a groove slightly transformed. Just a bit of
Oh.